Hey, Sheriff, you look busy.
Morning, Cactus Jack. I have to go meet Miss Oakley at the train station. She's due back today. Would you mind reading today's devotion to Bob Baloney?
Oh, sure, Sheriff. What is Bob in for?
I'll tell you what I'm here for. Cheating on a card game. Can you believe that? You left out the part where you pulled a knife on the guy. Anyways, I'll be back later.
Well, Mr. Baloney, I'm gonna read you a bedtime story. Devotion 54. The children of Israel made the horrible mistake of assuming that God would save them from the Philistines just because they brought the Ark of the Covenant to the battlefield. 1 Samuel 4:4. So the people sent to Shiloh that they might bring from thence the Ark of the Covenant of the Lord of Hosts, which dwelt between the cherubims. And the sons of Eli, Hophni and Phinehas, were there with the Ark of the Covenant of God. And when the Ark of the Covenant of the Lord came into the camp, all Israel shouted with a great shout, so that the earth rang again. The Ark had been residing in Shiloh for many years. Now the priests, the caretakers of the Ark, allowed it to be removed from Shiloh and brought to the battlefield. We will see in succeeding verses how that plan did not work, and Israel suffered a great defeat in spite of the presence of the Ark of the Covenant. But for now, what we really need to focus on is this one fact. We never again in Scripture read of the Ark of God making it back to Shiloh. So very often we allow precious things to slip away, assuming we can always easily get them back. Things like a good reputation, a close walk with God, a good relationship with the people who are precious to us, and many more. But if we treat things that are precious in a careless manner, just like the children of Israel, we may find out that we never get them back. Do take stock of those things and people that are precious to you and treat them accordingly.
You really believe that stuff? How about you get me out of here? You seem like a man of culture.
I don't think that's a good idea. Besides, the sheriff is a fair man.
Well, read me something else. I'm bored in here.
Sure, I could do that. I need to read some Bible verses Farmer Joe asked me to a while back. Let's see. John 3.